Hey everybody, just popping in. I'm outside of Maynard right now. We have been kind of doing some tearing up at Maynard. We're kind of thinking of making it more like for us. You know, we've been living in Maynard for 6 years now, and there's some things about it that are really great and some things that are not so great. So we have already started to kind of take things apart. I wish I had done a little bit before we decided to do this little video to kind of say, okay, hey, guess what? We're going to tear up Maynard. But, you know, sometimes I don't always think that way. But I'm going to take you on and see what we've done so far. And then as we go through it, kind of give you some insight into how it's going. So let's go check it out together. Hopefully the air conditioner is not too loud. And I've really done a really poor job of doing them before. So there was a booth dinette seat, kind of like the one that's over here, that was here, and we took it out, and then we found that this wall here on the side of the cabinet was missing the whole bottom half. You know, like they just stuck the bench seat up against it and called it good. So we took and put beadboard here and just put a board at the seam. We discovered that the seat belts are still there, but we're gonna leave them in case we need the screws, the bolts, not the seat belts, in case we need it for some type of tie down, right? So we've kind of left that. And I've sanded the wall. I'm putting up new wallpaper, and I took down the valance so that we could get that done. So that's kind of the, we'll say this is the start, so you can kind of see how we renovate a little bit of the RV. We'll show you as we go forward from now. All right, again, hopefully the air conditioner's not too loud, but I've put in that first panel of wallpaper. Very stressful with that window, trying to get it to line up the way I wanted it to against the wall. So that's panel number one. I'm gonna do number two, and then we're gonna have to make some decisions before I move forward, but hey, we got a good start. I'll keep you informed. All right, I've done the second setting, and if you do wallpaper, you know it's really hard to line up the seams. So don't look too closely, but I've got that second panel up. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm going to pause on it for now because next there's a lot of stuff in the way. So we got to make some decisions about how we're going to move forward. But I think it's looking pretty good. All right, so kind of got that part, that side mostly done. A little bit of more wallpapering I'm going to do, because we've kind of decided to keep this bench in here for right now because we didn't realize that when they did the floor, they kind of made it pop out in two areas. So one area is down here on the corner, and when the slide is in, that's this little spot right here. It's a little trip hazard. We didn't know they had done that. And it's again behind the bench seat. So when we get behind the bench seat, it sticks out like that as well. And so for now, we're going to just leave this bench seat until we kind of think about what to do, because underneath it is like this massive harness of wiring and so in this box. So, and it's a great place for me to store some of the things that I need to keep along with us. And so the next big tackle is we're going to be removing this couch and putting in like kind of a residential love seat. We're going to hope it looks okay in here. We're going to try it out, right? And it fits in good. So we have to tackle that, getting this removed. Taking again down that larger valance, wallpapering. I have to sand it, prep it, wallpaper it, and get it ready. So we're going to try that out. I am losing some storage, so we're trying to think of ways to accommodate that. So underneath the couch, there's this front panel here that comes off, and I can slide things under there. I put totes under there with like things that we might need, because this makes into a bed, so there's some linens in there and things like that. And then I also store blankets behind the couch. I have back there like my extra comforter, also some different things that we use along the way for exercising and things. So we're going to have to figure out some type of storage. So that is our big next jump with looking at how to make this RV really work for us. So I wanted to get on with that adventure and let you see it. And we'll walk you through some of the process. I don't know that we'll show you taking out the couch because I'm not sure how to get this thing out yet, but we'll see. We're going to have fun with it, and we're glad you're popping in to see how everything's going. So let's dig in. All right, we got the couch out. I just turned the air conditioner on. It's kind of loud, sorry, but just want to kind of show you what it looks like without a couch in here now. And I took the valance down because I'm going to do that wallpapering, finish that up. I'm probably going to take part of the bench out as well so I can kind of go behind it. And then there's like this tie-down strap down here. I think that might come in handy for putting our treadmill and kind of putting it right there. I don't know yet. But now I've got to do some measurements because we might have bought the love seat might be too big that we bought. So that's my to-do list right now is to see if we can fit a love seat right here. It's the width of it. We thought that the width was the same, I don't know, in our minds as the bench. And I knew it wasn't, but for some reason they cut that off right there. They should have just left it long all the way down, but well, we're going to get this going, and I'll keep you updated, let you see how it goes, so you can see our transition to how we're going to fix this little RV up to make it more homey-like for us. All right, coming right along, getting to a pause point. I ran out of wallpaper. I still have that wall back there to do, and that little around the window, and above that window still. I'm going to finish that. I want to buy some more wallpaper. But I was just we had to pull the bench and kind of laid it on its back like that. I didn't want to take the seat belts out or anything. And you can see there's that wire that we're talking about that it comes out of the floor. So that's the reason we can't really get rid of this. If we take the bench out, then we have to come up with a plan. It does have this wooden box that kind of goes on it that I pulled out. I'm going to put that back on and get that kind of tidied up. I still have a little trim work. Oh, I can see around the window. I haven't trimmed that yet. But just kind of finishing it, making sure it looks pretty good. I'm excited to see the final result. So we'll let you see that as we go along. All right, we got the wallpaper done. The valance is back up. Now we're just waiting to get that couch to see, how it's going to fit inside that spot. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm going to decorate that little wall. So if you ever come, don't look for the errors. One thing I discovered is I bought a new packet of wallpaper and it feels like it was just slightly a different color. That's kind of frustrating, but hopefully, the couch will hide it. I don't know, maybe you have to buy them all at the same time in one batch or something. But yeah, I'm excited to finally be done with that. If you ever wallpaper, you're going to say, I'm never doing that again, but I think you just have to recover from it. It's a pain, like lining everything up, but we'll get everything back together, put it back so you can see what it looks like all set up and everything. All right, kind of the finale, right? So you can kind of see the finished look. We got the couch in now. So it looks completely different than it did before. This is like the second couch. The first one was too big, but this one fits pretty good. It's a little large looking, I think, inside the RV, but it's very comfortable. It's a little rock and recliners. We can sit and watch the TV. So we're hoping that it'll be a lot more comfortable. I think next I might paint the trim around the top. Maybe paint that like white, but not on this trip. We're getting ready to head out and enjoy some of the things there are to see in America. We're off on our next road trip, so we'll be sharing a lot of that as we go. But hopefully you liked the process of watching as we transformed our little home and made it a little more homely and a little more usable for us with our little office space. And now our lounging, relaxing space so that we can watch television in the comfort of our recliner. So our TV's kind of across from it, so it is there. Excited for this next part of our journey. So hopefully you enjoyed our video. Hi everybody. Again, we're just ending the video on how we transformed our little RV and made it a little more user-friendly for us. We've been in the RV for about 6 years, and so it's about time to do some changes to make it a little more comfortable as we are living in it and traveling. So we hope you enjoy our little video on all these things, and we hope to see you down the road. Make sure you go out and find your adventure. See you next time.